Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. Wow, so we start off the morning. Riley's got two Hermes on the floor. She knocked one over, and now we have the other one. Oh, my goodness. So this is actually Hermie. Huh. Oh. Oh, my goodness. So it's the stretch and a Hermie. Let's see if she notices that Hermie Jr. is literally on the floor. Huh. Oh. Who else are we going to go for? Oh, no. We want to say happy Tuesday. We hope everyone's having an absolutely beautiful morning. Last night I found out late that Sheba celebrated a birthday, her 7th, which was very special. So I made a quick video. I appreciate everyone who's wished her beautiful birthday wishes. Thank you so much. And as you know, Rylie went out shopping yesterday. We tried to get her a toy, and she just wasn't interested in nothing. Even the catnip toy. I thought for sure that would be a winner, but I guess she's happy with all her little babies that she has. Thank you. Is this mine? Ready? Go. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, my goodness. All right, hold on a second. Let's see if we can go. Oh, you just knocked over Beatty. All right. Okay. Let's throw. Oh, my goodness. Oh, she's going. Oh, she got Hermie instead, left Beatty on the floor. Oh, she's up. Oh, my goodness. Oh, there's Rosie. All right, so you knocked over Brock, Beatty. There's another Hermie on the floor. This is madness, huh? Look. Oh, that was good. You literally juggled it with your back. I love that the new thing is how she picks it up. She catches it with both paws. It's a new technique. Right? That you're doing? Huh? And you just pushed over poor little lamb chop. All right. And she didn't notice that Hermie Jr. is still on the floor. You ready? Oh. Back to Hermie. You want Beatty? What do you think? Yeah? Good catch. Oh, my goodness, she doesn't know who to play with. Oh, wow. Both of them came down. Whoa. All right, go grab another baby. How about Murray? Oh, nice. Oh, she's going. Oh, my goodness. She is literally hysterical. All right. Oh, nice. Woo! Good catch. We have to add someone else into the mix. Who's this? Oh, that was a good one. He's very soft. You want to try him again? Oh, no. Oh, boy. Nope. You don't want the count? No? You want Murray again? Ready. Oh, back to Hermie. Jumping over Beatty. Who are we looking for? Rosie? Well. Oh, did everyone see she just nudged another Hermie off the bed? Oh my goodness. You are one silly pup. All right, everyone. We just want to say happy Tuesday. We hope it's absolutely amazing. Oh, all right. Count. All right, we'll try one more. Oh. Oh. All right, we're going to leave it with a bang. Oh, now? Yeah, everyone's off the bed. Huh, what are you going to do now? Oh, she's going to go to Beatty. Oh, my goodness, you are too funny. All right. All right, everyone. Hope everyone has an absolutely beautiful day full of tons and tons of wonderful blessings. Thank you all so much. But most importantly, don't forget, Rylie loves you. Bye. And now the count's on the floor. Oh, my goodness. All right. All right. All right. We got a ton of babies. Bye.